have a problem here, or a mistake, looks like that, okay, because this person borrowed this book 1 twice, okay, 2 times. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to add a new user here. So the user 2 is going to be equal to the user, and the name of this person is going to be John. Okay, now the user is also added. We have 2 books here within the library, okay, first one and second one, and also one of them exists, one of them doesn't, because someone borrowed one of them. Okay, the book 1 is borrowed. Let me comment this and run it to see what is it going to look like. So library item, right now we have 2 items here within the library, okay, Python crash course, and also clean code by John. So perfect. Let's uncomment this and save it. So the first book is borrowed now. When I run it, you see that check out the first book, which is Python crash course by Nemitullah. It is borrowed. Okay, now the user 2 is trying to borrow the first book once again. Okay, user 2, we have it, okay, dot borrow item, and here I'm going to add the book 1 once again. Okay, right now you see that the book 1 is already borrowed and it doesn't exist within the library. And let's run it to see what is going to happen here. So you see that checking out the Python crash course, right now it is checking out and it is telling you that this is not available for checkout, okay, because it's already bought by someone. And now I'm going to return that book once back. Okay, so we have the user 1, okay, dot return item. What is it going to return? The book 1. Okay, now let's save it and run it again. Now you see that okay, you see that it's checked in Python crash course by Nemitullah. And now if I borrow that once again down here, let me move it after this. Okay, after it's returned, I will borrow that. Let's save it and run it. And down here you see that item library, and also checking out, you see this book, okay, Python crash course by Nemitullah, that's checked out, and also it brought back in, and also again it's checked out, it's borrowed by a person. Okay, so it is how this little library management system work, and we use here classes, objects, inheritance, so you learn those things better.